Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project and confirming the problem source. Open Roblox Studio, back up the place, then navigate to starter player scripts and starter character scripts to find joystick and jump handlers. Once done, enable Explorer and Output so errors are visible, and run Play Solo to reproduce the issue. You want to see whether mobile controls or a custom controller script overrides default jump behavior. Make sure to note which local scripts handle user input, context action service, or humanoid jumping events before changing anything. You now locate the offending code and adjust input handling so jump and joystick cooperate. Inspect local scripts for context action service, bind action, user input service touches, or a mobile virtual joystick script, and find where functions return true to swallow events. Replace unconditional returns with conditional logic that only blocks when necessary, and add a short debounce like 0, 1 to 0, 2 seconds around jump to prevent repeated suppression. Also verify humanoid, auto jump and jump power values, and ensure finish by testing and hardening the fix across environments so the joystick and jump are reliable. Play in Studio, on a phone emulator, and on a real device to confirm consistent behavior. Once passing, clean up logs, remove commented hacks, and push the change. If something breaks, use output logs to trace bind action priorities, remote event timing, or scripts that rebind inputs at runtime. Make sure to re-enable previous code incrementally to pinpoint regressions, and adjust input priority or debounce as a final tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.